We're out here on the floodplain in the country managed by Akpul, and it's been an exciting couple of days for me, having been around for the last 10 years and seeing how far APN has come. We're working now on about the 5th project we've worked on together, and it's for the Smart Farms project, which is funded by the federal government under the Landcare, the National Landcare program.
About 7 years ago, they had to put a contract out, and we won that contract to come and muster here. Once we put them in the yards, we'll draft them up, draft all the cows and calves off, process them, and then the sale cattle, any sale cattle we're going to sell, we'll pull them aside and then bring them back around as we're doing now, and they get a NAILS tag and branded to make sure they're all right for the sale. Yeah, and then we'll draft them up into size for the trucks to truck them out.
I was reflecting yesterday after seeing over 1,000 head of cattle moved across country and into those yards in collaboration with Indigenous people or Wik people from Aurukun. The contract musterers and people from NAILSMA, people from CSIRO, this fantastic big team came together to do something that some people wouldn't have thought would have been possible a few years ago, even 10 years ago when it started, when there were a handful of people working out here, starting this whole procedure up.